Hey everybody, welcome back to the Josh Wiley channel. This is another parts video where we're making a custom muzzle brake, and we're making it custom for the 180 Second Ideas YouTube channel. And what's special about this is it's actually going in a giveaway. You will be able to get this muzzle brake. So head on over to the 180 Second Ideas YouTube channel to find out how you can get a hold of this muzzle brake. And that's all for this week. If you like this episode, please like and share it with your friends, and be sure to get subscribed, and I'll see you all next week.